Welcome back to Homes and Spaces, where each week we tour a new property and decide if it's fabulous, functional, or flat out forgettable. I'm Nick, real estate broker, interior designer, and professional home judge.
And I'm Corey, contractor, real estate broker, and fellow home judge. Today we're doing something special, taking an exclusive look at Prelude, a new enclave at TAVA Waters.
That's right, smart homes, modern finishes, and a private lake, a real oasis in the city.
They offer three different models, so we chose to tour one of each. If you've ever wanted to pick your perfect floor plan like you're swiping for a soulmate, Prelude may just be for you.
Prelude is a new development in TAVA Waters, a gated community in Denver with stylish townhomes, smart tech, and rooftop patios that bring the mountain views home.
Built by Colbell Communities, this place has a private lake, year-round pool and hot tub, walking trails, and everything else you want but didn't expect in the city.
All right, now that you've got the vibe, let's take you inside. We toured all three floor plans.
That's right. So watch the tour, take some mental notes, and stick around because you know we've got thoughts and we're not holding back.
Welcome to Prelude, a truly special new community here in Denver. I'm Nick, your real estate broker and interior designer. Thank you for joining us.
Yes, thank you. And I'm Corey, real estate broker and general contractor. Come along as we take a tour of new builds. We're kicking off our tour with Plan A, the most economical of the three models, offering 1,253 square feet and starting at $523,000. Continuing on our tour of Prelude at TAVA Waters, we're moving on to Plan B. This model offers more space with 1,816 finished square feet, starting off at $677,000. And finally, we've arrived at Plan C, the largest and most spacious model here at Prelude. This home boasts just over 2,000 square feet and starts at $804,000. Let's see what it has in store.
All right, three floor plans, four levels, and more rooftop real estate than most condos have closets. Let's talk about it.
Starting with Plan A, the smallest one, but honestly, it holds its own.
Totally, the layout is smart, nothing wasted, it feels bigger than it is, and the way they staged it, impeccable.
And that rooftop patio, yes, please, give me mountain views with my morning coffee.
Plan A is giving starter home, but make it chic.
Now, Plan B, that one surprised me. Middle child energy, but it really stepped up.
It's well balanced. You get space to entertain, room to work, places to hide when your guests won't leave.
Exactly. The finishes were sharp. I love that they didn't cut corners and everything felt intentional. It wasn't just thrown together to meet a deadline. Even the island said, I'm here to host wine night.
Plan B is for people who want options. And finally, Plan C, the extra one. The look at me, I have a wine cooler one.
This one had me with the outdoor fireplace. I love the style here. The designers didn't have to do that, but I really am glad they did.
And the main floor primary suite, I'm all about a primary that doesn't make you climb stairs.
Also, details. The double ovens, massive island, and actual mudroom. This one's giving resort style living, but without the other resort guests.
Honestly, all three have something going for them. But if you had to pick one,
I'm Plan C all the way. That terrace sealed the deal.
I could make a strong case for A, but C had a drama I didn't know I needed.
So, what do you think? Which would you choose? A, B, or C?
Drop it in the comments. And if you're ready to see them in person, well, you know who to call.
This is Homes and Spaces. See you next time.